Best chocolate ice cream that you ever had, but it's fruit-based only. Natural ingredients, homemade, no sugar, no lactose. It's the best, most nutritious, healthy, and easy to mix. Stay there until the end to learn the tricks. I'm really happy to announce that 3 of my 10 books are now published in English, available on Kindle and print on demand on Amazon. My main book, The Eden's Diet, The Guide to Raw Frugivores, the original diets. This is the most updated and comprehensive science book about diets. What we have in terms of raw foods, every detail that you need to understand to thrive in a raw food diet, to have more longevity and better health. In my humble opinion, what everybody in the world should understand. The Hygienic Fasting Nature Surgery, my most sold book in Portuguese. I'm pretty sure this is the best book on fasting in the world, the most updated in terms of science and in terms of natural hygiene practice. All the books have numerical bibliographical references, so it's not what I'm saying, but actually I can prove it. I quote by numerical references the scientific articles, the name of the scientist, the name of the journal, the scientific journal, the page, the year, and Natural Delicacies, Cooking Without a Stove, one of my recipe books with a lot of delicious raw vegan recipes like pancakes, cheese, dulce de leche, crepe, cakes, and a lot of delicious recipes without sugar, without oil, without salt, without anything that would damage your health. You want to learn more, get better in a raw vegan diet, get better in a natural hygiene lifestyle, be more productive, longevous, and healthy, you must read them. Hi there, I'm Dr. Corassa, clinical nutritionist from Brazil that have saved his own life almost 20 years ago through lifestyle medicine called natural hygiene or the science of health. So since then, I have dedicated my life to spread the world about health is produced by healthful living. How you can improve your health by natural means without depending on myself or supplements or medical doctors or surgeries or drugs to produce health. Instead of that, just sunshine, sleep, exercise, diet, and other small details that can improve your capacity to live a healthier, better life. So for our chocolate ice cream, we will need bananas, a lot of frozen bananas, but they have a specific ripeness that you have to freeze. You have to freeze the banana when it's past that yellow, when it has a lot of speckles, or depends on the variety of the banana, but it must be soft and quite sweet. Before going bad, but way more ripe than most people used to eat. Here, I always freeze a lot of bananas because they even sometimes give me boxes on the farmer's market because they're going to throw it away because there's so many bananas being produced every week. In average, you should aim for 5 to 10 bananas per person. So here we have 4 medjool dates, around 100 grams, cacao powder and carob powder, 40 grams, so 20 grams each. 20 grams of cacao powder, raw cacao powder is better, and 100% cacao, or else it comes with sugar, milk, and a lot of other stuff. So you must be sure that it's 100% cacao, and if it's raw, it's better. For sure, you can use roasted cacao powder. It will not be raw, the recipe anymore, but still, it's just small, tiny changes to the diet. If you are actually trying to introduce this kind of eating for your friends, for your family, or even for yourself when you want some treats, it's better to put some roasted cacao without any additives than eating some chocolate ice cream, regular one with dairy, with sugar and preservatives, you know, all the emulsificants, all the stuff that they added. So 40 grams of raw cacao powder and carob powder, raw also. And then we have cacao nibs. This is the dried seeds of the cacao. They usually come roasted, but these are raw actually, right? Peanuts. You can get them with the skin or without the skin, but they must be raw. You can use any other nuts whatsoever, but I prefer the peanut because of the texture and the taste. They go pretty well with sweets. We are going to pit the medjool dates and add to our food processor. Eduardo, can I do this recipe in the blender? Yes, for sure. You can make raw vegan ice creams in the blender, but if you don't add milk or any watery items, you are going to have a hard time to blend it. And depending on how you do it and the strength of your blender, you can end up damaging your blender. So here, a handful of peanuts, raw peanuts, around an ounce, 30 grams for the Caribbean cacao, and the nibs. The nibs, you have to peel it. They peel it pretty easy. I prefer to buy them unhulled. These are actually the cacao seeds. They're pretty bitter, but it's how we make anything with cacao powder. We roast them and then add sugar and milk. The smell is pretty good. It smells like chocolate, but the taste is quite bitter because it's a seed. The seed doesn't want to be eaten. We can eat them adding like sugar and a lot of other stuff, but naturally raw, it's not tasty at all. So I'm going to give a chocolate texture to my ice cream, chocolate taste to my ice cream by adding these, and even some texture because they are crunchy. So they add a lot of texture to the ice cream. But if you add them alone without adding sugar, that in this case the banana, it's not going to be good. I get the frozen, I save one cacao nibs for the last. I have taken these bananas out of the fridge for around 10 minutes so they unfreeze a little bit and it's easier to manipulate them. And then cut them in small pieces and add to the food processor. I love big food processors because they're easy. You can add a lot of stuff to them and it's easy to process everything all at once. Before I start blending it, I will add also a secret ingredient, my coconut yogurt. You can see the recipe in the video that I will link below or in the cards. It's here on the channel. It's just type coconut yogurt Dr. Corassa and you find it. It's darn easy to eat. It's quite tasty and it will give a better flavor to the ice cream. Let's blend. Look at this. Is this ice cream or not? There were still some pieces of banana left, so I'm going to process it a little bit more. What grade would you give this delicious ice cream? Homemade, 80-10-10, raw vegan, healthy, only whole food plant-based ingredients, and cheap and easy to make. This is going to be such an entertainment for your guests in the weekend. It is to live for. Bananas give such a firm consistency to the recipe and it tastes like real ice cream. The texture is of real ice cream. It's healthy. The best part is that you can eat ice cream as much as you care, as much as you want, without feeling guilty, without feeling sick, without feeling congested. I cannot think of anything else. I cannot think of anything better than this. And if you like the content, please, you have to subscribe to the channel. Hit the bell button for notifications. Comment below, share the video, and give it a thumbs up. By doing this, YouTube understands that you like the video and share it to more people. If you want to improve your diet, I highly recommend you to read Natural Delicacy, Cooking Without a Stove, get to know more recipes like this one. But the most important of my books already translated to English, and the most important one that I wrote from the 10 ones that I wrote in Portuguese is the Eden's Diet, because you understand anatomy, physiology, biochemistry, all the science, the logic, the history behind our natural diet. There will be no other uncertainties or no other ways to look after you read it. Your mind gets expanded and you understand what you should be eating for perfect health. So I highly recommend to read the books. They're available on Amazon, print on demand, and Kindle. And also, I attend patients online or in person. We run retreats January, Carnival, and July. And also I have 6 online courses. And the other 7 books that are not translated to English yet are being translated. So in a year or two, you have a few ones more already on Amazon. So if you want to change, you have to get educated, you have to have an immersion, you have to have assistance by someone that's already thriving with this lifestyle for almost 20 years now. So I can help you out. Just go into the description of the video, click the link for WhatsApp or for Telegram, send me a message, and I will help you out. Don't forget, health is produced by Healthful Living, much frugal health, and click on these videos to know more.